if the birds are out again. I can feel a change upon the wind, the color of the sky and the sound of the rain coming down, down, down. I can tell that you're the same as me, wanting to feel curious and free. Life had locked me in, but you opened up the door. You opened up the door. Seasons, they change, gone away then back again. Every sign I see is you. I am tired of hiding how I feel. Every sign is telling me it's real. Looking back, it's easy now to see something inside longing to be free. The story in your eyes and the stars in the sky turning round, round, round. Look at love and how she makes her plan, urging us on, offering her hand. Bringing you to me, always meant to be. Now I understand that seasons, they change, gone away then back again. Every sign I see is you. I am tired of hiding how I feel. Every sign I see is telling me it's real, and every sign I see is telling me it's real. Seasons change, gone away then back again. Every sign I see is you. I'm tired of hiding how I feel. Every sign is telling me that